You can't run away from these stars I got, oh baby. Hey baby, 'cause I got a lot, oh yeah. Anywhere you go, my whole crew's gonna know, oh baby. Hey baby, you can't hide.
Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Welcome to the vlog. So if you can't tell about all my seasons I have out, I am making some homemade curry chicken, cabbage, some plantains, and some coconuts rice. If I don't have this brand coconut rice, I'll just make some white rice and pour a can of coconut milk in it to make a coconut rice. Let me show you all my seasonings and everything else. You'll just see me cooking. I'm not going to talk anymore, I don't think. Yeah, so just watch me cook my Sunday dinner.
So many things I'm going through, so much that I want to do. It's starting to become so clear to me. Tomorrow ain't really guaranteed. So many days I thought of you. It's about time you come through. Got to act quickly, you and I. If all I know so many reasons why. So why don't we? Two shots in the atmosphere.
It's been 3 weeks since you were looking for your friend, the one you let hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about to Benjamin? You act like you ain't him, to give him a little trim to begin. How you think you really gon' pretend like you wasn't down and you called him again? Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then,
Dinner is ready. Plantains, cabbage, coconut rice, and the chicken just got off the stove. Whew. I'm on curry chicken. Oh my gosh. What time is it? 6 o'clock. I'm gonna jump in the shower and we're gonna eat our dinner. Hey y'all, I just finished working out. I look extremely tired. I went to work today. After work, I came straight in the house and started working out. And I just took my little scarf off my head. This is what I use to work out in. Let me show you. This is how I have my hair when I work out. And I want to say I got this from either Amazon or from Target. I have two of them. One of them from Amazon and one from Target, so I can't remember. And the inside is satin. And the band around the front of your hair is pretty thick, so it helps if you tie it kind of tight. It helps lay your edges down. So anyway, I had my hair in for 2 weeks, and I'm going to show y'all how I refresh my scalp. This product is the Majestic Ayurvedic Hair Growth Serum. Minimo gifted me this product, and let me tell you, baby, it smells so freaking good. How to use. Apply the serum directly to scalp. Use fingertips to massage the serum into the scalp. Use up to 2 times daily. No, I don't use it 2 times daily. Maybe twice a week. It works great for promoting hair growth, strengthen hair follicles, and healthy scalp. And it has ashwagandha, maca root, and other ingredients in there to help with your hair. What does it say? Ashwagandha promotes strong, healthy hair and reduces hair loss. Maca root stimulates blood flow to the scalp. Other word, I don't know how to pronounce it, is this word right here. You won't be having me sound all kinds of crazy. That word right there. It says it promotes hair growth and helps curb premature graying. This is how the bottle look outside of the pack. It smells sweet. Just a greasy serum, like, see it? Not on me, yeah. It look greasy, but it's not. And it smells so good. So I just take it through each section of my hair. Like I said, I had these braids in for 2 weeks now. And they still look really good to me because my hair does grow fast. And also it depends on how tight I braid my hair. Though it does look oily, it's not greasy at all. Last time I had some braids in my hair, I got my boyfriend to oil my scalp and he put so much on my hair. I was like, my hair gonna be so greasy. And the next day it wasn't greasy at all, so it absorbed all the oil, I guess. Take the balls of my finger, massage. I try not to put any product, any edge control or anything on my edges until I absolutely need it, because once I start laying edge control down on my edges, I have to wash the edge control off at night. Then my hair get fuzzy and start to look old faster. So I try not to really put too much edge control on my hair. How I got my crinkly ends, I just braided my hair. I did like 3 big braids. So I'm getting ready to do the same thing right now. Yeah, all I wanted was my ends to be crinkly. Let me stand up. So I didn't braid the hair up here. I started the braids down here, not on the actual braid, but the hair that's not braided. Now that I'm back over my 3 braids, grab me some mousse.
I tried to work it away. That just made me even sadder. I tried to keep myself busy. I ran around in circles, think I make myself dizzy.
Alright, let's go downstairs so we could dip these 3 braids. Tea kettle was going off, so let me grab that. Please be careful when you do this. This is my old Keurig pot. I don't know what you want to call it, but I don't use it for anything but dipping my hair anymore. And that is it. I will unravel these tomorrow so you can see how crinkly they will be. Good morning. Well, it was not morning, but and I slept with my braids in my hair. I'm going to unravel them. But before that, I'm going to eat my breakfast. So freaking good. Some turkey bacon, scrambled eggs, and 1 waffle. This is a protein waffle. I really do like them. It's blueberry flavored, but they do fill me up. So I'm going to eat my breakfast. I'm done taking out all the braids. I go over the ends with a little mousse, just so they won't get frizzy. And that is how I refresh my hair. My ends are nice and refreshed. And my scalp, nice and clean. Don't mind my edges. I don't know why this camera is playing with me like that. And that is it.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute? Sure, you know, you look kind of familiar. Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named... You know his name. Oh yeah, definitely, I know his name. I just want to let you know that he's mine. 83 Sandwich. He's mine. You need to give it up. I haven't got enough. It's not what you see. Oh, mine. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. Keep it close to me. Oh, mine. The thing is, time we got this straight. The feelings are face to face. There's no way you couldn't stay. For your man, are you insane? See, I know that you may be just a bit jealous of me, but you're blind if you can't see that his love is all in me. See, I tried to hesitate. I didn't want to say what he told me. You say without me he couldn't make through the day that I shine. And maybe you misunderstood, 'cause I can't see how we could wanna change something that's so good. All my love was all it took. You need to give it up. I had about enough. Boy, you're mine. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. Keep it close to me. What you do, the things you do, keep on acting like a fool. Please, you know it's me, not you. Well, if you didn't know it, girl, it's true. I think that you should realize, you gotta understand why he is a part of my life. I know it's killing you inside. You can say what you want to say. What we have you can't say. From the truth you can't escape. I can tell the real from the fake. When will you get the picture? You're the best in the future. Give away is my time to shine. You didn't know the boy is mine.
Yeah, we just came back from running a few errands. But I want to show y'all these cups I got from the Goodwill. So I don't know why I've been breaking a lot of my cups lately. And some of them were for the dollar store, so I knew better. I knew that they were not going to last long. So all the cups were, let me see, $1. So we got these cups, which we're going to drink out of tonight. We got some wine. It's cute. This cup, 2 of these. 95 cents. So cute and nice and sturdy. And 2 of these cute little cups. I like these. I'm going to definitely do my lattes in here. And then my sister got a cup for herself. This nice sturdy wine glass. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and start washing these cups. My sister got us the 19 Crime. She got the hard shard. This is a white wine. And this is a red wine. So let's cheers to the freaking weekend. Oh! See, y'all, that's why I can't be cute and record. Alright, let's do it again, y'all. There we go. Cheers to the freaking weekend, y'all. Yep, BLT is done. Turkey bacon is so freaking good. I have my water and lemon in my new glass, and I still have my red wine in my other glass. So I'm about to eat my dinner, and I'll see y'all later. We watching Candyman. Have y'all seen it before?
Fucking beastie. Really? Yes, you know.
As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.